this video we will discuss questions of exercise 6.3 NCERT. In the first question it is given that QP is produced to point S. So let us see the figure. This QP is produced to a point S. So there is a point S and QP is produced to that point S. Now next is RQ is produced to point T. See here that this is RQ and it is produced to a point T. Now they are asking you to find out the value of angle PRQ. So you have to find out this angle, and you know that this angle is given to be 110 and this is given to be 135. Now if this angle is 135, I mark this as 1 and this as 2. Can I find out the value of angle 1? Angle 1 will be equal to 180 minus 135 because these two angles form linear pair. So 1, so I am writing it here. What is it? Angle 1 plus 135 is equal to 180. What's the reason? Linear pair. So angle 1 will be equal to 45 degrees. Right. Now I am writing something. You have to give the reason for this. 1 plus 2 is equal to 110. What's the reason? Dekho, this is a triangle and this is a side which is produced, so this becomes the exterior angle. So I'll write exterior angle property of triangle. Right. So 1 plus 2 is equal to 110. I know 1 is 45, so 45 plus 2 is equal to 110. So angle 2 will be equal to 110 minus 45. How much it will be? 65. You have other ways of doing the question also. You can find out this angle and then apply angle sum property, or you may find out this angle then apply exterior angle here. So there are many ways to solve this question. Now in question number 2 it is given that XYZ is equal to 54 degree. YO is bisector of angle Y. So see the figure. X, Y, Z, this angle, complete angle is equal to 54 degree. YO is bisector of angle Y and ZO is bisector of angle Z. So ZO is bisector of angle Z. Z का bisector means angle 3 और 4 equal होंगे, and YO is bisector means angle 1 2 के equal होगा. So I am writing it here. Since YO is bisector of angle Y, therefore angle 1 is equal to angle 2. And then ZO is bisector of angle Z, so angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Now we have to find out OZY. OZY means angle 4 find out करना है, and then YOZ means ये angle O find out करना है. Right. So I am writing one thing which I know, which is 1 plus 2 plus X plus 3 plus 4. इन सब का sum कितना होगा? It will be 180 degrees. Why? The reason is angle sum property of triangle. Now 1 and 2 both are equal and the sum is equal to 54, plus angle X is equal to 62, plus angle 3 and 4 both are same. So I can write 3 plus 4 only. As of now I am writing 3 plus 4 only. So angle 3 plus angle 4 will be equal to 180 minus 611, 116. Right. So it will be equal to 64. That means angle Z is equal to 64. But 3 and 4 both are same, so I can write twice of 4 is equal to 64, and that means angle 4 is equal to 32. So we have found one of the answers, angle OZY, which will be equal to 32. Now YOZ. Now 1 plus 2 is equal to 54. It is given to us because this angle Y is given to be 54. So that means 1 plus 2 is equal to 54. So I am writing it here. Angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 54. Now again I am using twice of 2 is equal to 54, and twice angle 2 will be equal to 27. Now you know angle 2 is 27, angle 4 is 32. You can apply your angle sum property in the smaller triangle and get the answer for angle O. Now in this question number 3, AB is parallel to DE. So just see this carefully. This line is parallel to this line and this is your transversal, right? So this will be equal to 35 only. What's the reason? The reason is alternate angle. So I am writing angle 1 is equal to 35 and the reason is alternate angles. They have given you that one of the angle is 53 degree also. Now they are asking you DCE. So DCE. Now you can find out the value of DCE using the angle sum property. 1 plus 53 plus DCE is equal to 180 degree. Apply angle sum property, you will get the answer. Now let us see this fifth question of NCERT. The figure is given to us and it's given that PQ is parallel to SR. Now this PQ line is parallel to SR and this is the transversal. So if this is the transversal, you can apply that this angle will be equal to X. What's the reason? These two are alternate angles. Now X plus 28 will be equal to 65. So X plus 28 will be equal to 65. What's the reason? Exterior angle property. So X की वैल्यू कितनी हो जाएगी? 15 minus 8 3 and 4 5 minus 2 3, 33 degrees. Now if we have to find out the value of Y, this angle P plus angle S will be equal to 180 degree. What's the reason? P plus S is equal to 180 degree. This is co-interior angles, right? So 90 plus X plus Y is equal to 180 degree. You know that it is 90 plus 33 plus Y is equal to 180 degree. So you now can find out the value of Y.